All right, everyone, welcome. This is the 22nd May. Looking at this now in a 30-minute time frame, this looks like a clear, excuse me. So this looks like a clear, a candle closing below support here to the left-hand side. Next candle closed small bullish. Next candle broke below the low. Man, if I was looking at the charts, this would have been an amazing impulse entry for price to move down, would have been done for the day. But anyway, let's do some clean analysis. Let's start off from the daily. Daily candles are basically creating a resistance right up over here. And maybe this candle may come down to fill the daily wick, which is 84 pips away. Looking at the weekly is flipping as well. That doesn't mean it's a sell. Now, looking at the 4 hour, if you have some more information, obviously we're creating a resistance on the 4 hour. We also have a support formed on the 4 hour time frame, which is good. If we do break below this area, the next area of support is, I'd say, somewhere down over here, 23.76. But we got to keep this area in mind as well, 23.95. I know these candles, they didn't respect this resistance, but if price does come down, I think this could be pretty good. Clean range, 160 pips, pretty good. Looking at the 1 hour time frame now, we can see that there's a support down here on the 1 hour time frame. I guess we can adjust our resistance now till this area, and at the same time we have a support here which we broke and continue pushing down. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute now, we can we can see there was a resistance formed on the 30-minute, which we broke now, 24.18. So I'm not going to do the analysis based on we broke below the low. I'm going to do the analysis based on what's present now. So this is the resistance on the 30-minute time frame. And we are bearish at this point. So I'd say maybe we want to see some sort of retracement for price to continue pushing down. That's something I want to see. Let's take a little peek at the 15-minute. Looking at the 15-minute, looking to the left-hand side, I do say a final target is going to be this area here, 24.10. That should be the final target. But I'm also looking at price from a perspective of if we do break back above, let's say 23.19, then there's a very good possibility we can continue pushing up as we have clean range here to the left-hand side. But for what's happening for now, I would just want to see price to retrace a little bit, create resistance, and then continue to push down. Or if we do retrace, create resistance, and break that resistance, then there's a probability we can continue pushing back up because now this move down becomes clean range. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Starting off from the daily, pound yen is basically, we're just trying to fill the wick on the daily previous candle, but let's take a look on the 4 hour time frame. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we have some more information. We have a support formed. We have a resistance up over there. Obviously, let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, obviously we have a support. We have sort of like a resistance established right here. We have a resistance established, and looking at the 30-minute time frame, we do have a resistance established. At the same time, we have a support established right here. Right here, we have a support established. And I guess now we just got to wait. Now it's just a matter of waiting at this point. Because looking at just the 30-minute, we're basically in a consolidation. This is not that big. It's like a 9-pip range. If we break above 198.780, this is like a 7-pip range, so not that good at all. The main idea would be if we break above 198.880, then we could continue pushing up all the way up to a range we have up over here from the left-hand side where we had clean candles coming down right over here. That would be the better case scenario for price to move up. Yeah, I got my son with me here. He's drawing on the iPad. But for sells, I don't like sells because of these wicks here to the left-hand side. I mean, even if we look at this, so this is sort of like a consolidation area, and even if we have clean range here, this is like 10 pips. So it's very difficult, very difficult on pound yen. So let's see what happens. I'm going to be available here via chat for the most part, but no live stream today. Head hurts. Anyway, take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.